In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your country of residence in Wise. This process is quite straightforward, but making a change like this is crucial, particularly if you've recently relocated to a new country. Keeping your account information accurate ensures smooth transactions and enhances security. First things first, let's log into your Wise account. If you're not already familiar, Wise is a highly popular platform known for providing low-cost international money transfers. Having a Wise account is incredibly beneficial if you frequently send or receive money across different countries. Now go ahead and access the website or open the app on your device and enter your login details just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which offers a comprehensive overview of your account activities. Next, you need to navigate to your profile. You should see an option or an icon for your profile located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu that includes all the personal settings available to you. Here, you'll find all sorts of options geared towards customizing your account settings, from account security to personal details. We are focusing on updating your personal details today. So, you'll want to select Personal Details from the menu. Once you do, you'll find yourself in the section that contains your personal information. This area is where you manage and review the information that's linked to your account. It's always a good idea to periodically check this information to ensure it's up to date. Now, as you're viewing your personal information, you should see an option to set or change your country of residence. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of countries. Here is where you select the new country you're currently residing in. It's important to choose the correct country, as this can affect the way your transfers are processed and the fees that might apply. Plus, choosing the wrong country might trigger unnecessary questions or even lock your account. Once you've selected the correct country, remember to click Save. This is a critical step because without saving your new selection, the update won't take effect. After saving the changes, everything should be all set. You can always double-check by returning to your personal information section to ensure your new country of residence is accurately displayed. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your country of residence in your Wise account. It's a simple but important task that helps keep your transactions accurate and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tips and guides about using Wise and maximizing its benefits for all your financial transactions.